structure. I'm going to solve examples on find the angle between following pair of curves. Okay, first example, r is equal to sine theta plus cos theta and r is equal to 2 sine theta. Okay, this example has been asked in 2023 question paper. Okay, so consider the curve r is equal to sine theta plus cos theta. What is the procedure? We used a method taking log on both sides. Okay, when you take log on both sides, it is log r is equal to log sine theta plus cos theta. So when you differentiate with respect to theta now, what happens? LHS 1 by r dr by d theta, and here differentiation of log is 1 by log x is 1 by x, so 1 by sine theta into cos theta, and differentiation of sine is cos and cos is minus sine, and LHS is here cot phi 1. Since we have two curves, we denote it by cot phi 1. Now, to rearrange it, what we'll do? We can take cos outside. So what happens? 1 minus sine by cos. So sine by cos is tan whole divided by, again the denominator also take cos outside. So cos theta is equal to 1 divided 1 plus sine by cos is again tan theta. Okay. Now cos will get cancelled. So in the RHS, you left with 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta. What is this? This is cot of pi by 4 plus theta. Therefore, what is your phi 1? Phi 1 is pi by 4 plus theta. So you can call this as equation 1. Now, second curve. So what is that? R is equal to 2 sine theta. When you take log on both sides, so log R is equal to log 2 plus log sine theta. So differentiate with respect to theta. What happens? It is 1 by r dr by d theta. Differentiation of log 2 is 0 and differentiation of log sine theta is 1 by sine theta. Differentiation of sine is cos. So cos theta by sine theta, and here it is in LHS. We can denote it by cot phi 2, and cos by sine is cot. So cot theta. Directly you will get phi 2 as theta. Call this as equation 2. But what is our aim? Our aim is to find angle between two curves. So angle between two curves is what? Modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. Therefore, angle between the curves is given by modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. So it is pi by 4 plus theta minus theta. So this is nothing but pi by 4. Okay. So angle between given two curves is pi by 4. So one more example. R is equal to 6 cos theta and R is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So no solution. So for the first curve, take log on both sides. So log R is equal to log 6 plus log cos theta. Okay. When you differentiate with respect to theta, what will you get? In the RHS, it is 1 by r dr by d theta. Log 6 is 0 plus differentiation of log cos theta is 1 by cos theta. Differentiation of cos is minus sine. So minus sine by cos. In the LHS, it is cot phi 1. Minus sine by cos is minus tan theta. So tan theta can be expressed as cot of pi by 2 plus theta. Therefore, what is phi 1? Phi 1 is pi by 2 plus theta. So this has one. Now for the second curve, when you take log, it is log r is equal to log 2 plus log of 1 plus cos theta. So when you differentiate, so it is 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to 0. Differentiation of log 1 plus cos theta is 1 by 1 plus cos theta. Differentiation of cos is minus sin theta. here it is cot phi 2, and here apply half angle formulas. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 whole divided by 1 plus cos theta by theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 cancels, and 1 cos and 1 cos, sin by cos. So cot 5 by 2 is minus sin by cos, that is a tan theta by 2. Again minus tan theta by 2 can be expressed as plus cot pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So what it gives? Phi 2 as pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So using 1 and 2, substitute in the formula of angle of intersection. Therefore, angle between the curves is given by modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. Then from 1 and 2, phi 1 is pi by 2 plus theta minus pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So what happens? This is equal to theta by 2. But what they asked you to find the angle. So we have modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2 as theta by 2. So we need to find theta. How we are going to find theta? So you call this as equation 3. Now to get theta, equate the RHS of the given curve. For the first curve, RHS is 6 cos theta, and the second curve it is 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So what happens? Cos theta is equal to, you get 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, what is theta? Theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 3. Therefore, equation 3 becomes modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2 is equal to pi, theta is pi by 3 whole divided by 2. So angle of intersection of these curves is pi by 6. What is that? That is 30 degree. Okay, this is the angle of intersection of given two curves. So in the next video, I am going to solve 2 more different examples to find angle of intersection of the curves. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.